Father's old World War II MO toolbox. My shed's dark, faraway corner. Father's toolbox? Gaunt, blotched rust, preserved by remnant bearing grease. Snug, finally resting. Lost? Forgotten? No. Frozen, preserved. I miss you, Dad. I never knew you. You never stopped working. Dad died 60 years ago. Sell? Worth $150. Restore? Scour off the rust? Erase untended child? Deferred fatherhood? Remove grease. Remove rust. Remove the past. Super clean in acid? Base steel, ready for plating, chrome? Straining thumbs and fingers against rusty steel security latches. Lid ajar, reverently exposing cherished, loved tools. Sacred, grease-anointed relics. Precise infant feeler gauge, one leaf's tip long gone. Delicate toddler small spanners, once caressed with graceful force. Emboldened child adjustable wrench, encouraged with thoughtful strength. Percussive school tack hammer, teased with tasks beyond its ability. So many other deferred tools, all beyond my child time memory. Restore? No. Tenderly embrace car-greased rust patina. What was? What could have been? Honoured.